So I am here talking to you about the healthcare industry, and as 3M, we have a really deep knowledge of what is happening in this industry. We keep really close tabs on it. Our second largest business unit is our healthcare unit. It's a $5 billion business for us. So as a broad view, 3M has seen a lot of changes happen over the past couple of years. What we're seeing is that there's a lot of consolidation, and so pharmacies are being owned by insurance companies because these insurance companies are wanting to have a hand in the patient experience from start to finish. We're seeing the same with treatment facilities. They're now buying insurance companies. You think about your community and the local hospitals, and it used to just be one hospital in the community. You didn't have a choice. That's where you went for your care. And now, as consumers, we have choices in the community. And so there is a big push for attracting and retaining patients. Okay, so these dots on here represent what we see as some opportunities for graphics. It just broadens the view of how you can be using and creating these environments. This is really telling the story that graphics don't have to just be patient and visitor facing. They can also be employee facing to help that employee morale and retention and education. You guys all have experienced a difference in the past 10 years of walking into a doctor's office a couple years ago and walking into a doctor's office now. It's a lot more natural feeling. It's a lot fresher. Everyone's doing an interior refresh, rebrand in order to expand into their community.